Dear student, in this video we will learn concept of amount and problem of worksheet 3 of unit 13. What is amount? Concept of amount. Principal along with interest is called amount. Principal along with interest. Principal along with interest is called amount. It is denoted by capital A. अमाउंट को जनरली किससे डिनोट करते हैं? कैपिटल ए. इट मीन्स अमाउंट A is equal to principal plus interest. We can write A is equal to P plus SI. SI means simple interest or I means interest. Both are same. In case if you have given amount and simple interest, then how can find principal? Subtracting simple interest to the amount from the amount. And if you have to find simple interest and given that amount and principal, then SI is equal to A minus P. These three formula get help to find amount, principal and simple interest. When you have to find amount and principal and simple interest are given, you simply add principal and simple interest, you get amount. When you have to find principal and amount and simple interest are given, then simply you subtract amount minus SI, you get principal. And when you have to find simple interest and amount and principal are given, then simply subtract principal from amount, then you get simple interest. Now we start worksheet 3 of unit 13. Now unit 13 worksheet 3. In question number 1, here question is find the amount of the following. Find the amount of the following. In this question you have to find amount. In question number A, here given that principal is equal to rupees 1500, interest I is equal to rupees 150. You have to find amount. We know that amount is equal to P plus SI. It means rupees 1500 plus rupees 150. After adding, you get rupees 1650. This is the amount. This is the answer. Now in question number B, here principal is equal to rupees 750. SI is equal to rupees 35, amount is equal to not given. You have to find amount and we know that amount is equal to P plus SI. Here principal is rupees 750, interest is rupees 35. After adding you get 785, that is amount. So amount is rupees 785. Now in question number C, here principal is equal to rupees 15,000. Interest SI is equal to rupees 980. You have to find amount and we know that amount is equal to P plus SI. Amount is equal to P plus SI. So amount is equal to rupees 15,000 plus rupees 980. After adding you get rupees 15,980. This is the answer. Now in question number D, here principal is equal to rupees 4,500, interest SI is equal to rupees 2015. You have to find amount and we know that amount is equal to P plus SI. Here principal is rupees 4,500 and simple interest is rupees 215. After adding you get rupees 4715. This is the amount. Is it clear? So we complete question number 1. Now in question number 2. In question number 2 you have fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In the first question here, principal is equal to rupees 800, SI is equal to not given, amount is equal to rupees 905. In this question you have to find simple interest, and we know that SI is equal to amount minus principal. Here amount is rupees 905, principal is rupees 800. So after subtracting you get rupees 105. This is the answer. Now in question number B, here principal not given, SI is equal to rupees 75.50 and amount is equal to rupees 450. You have to find principal. You know that principal is equal to amount minus simple interest. Here amount is rupees 450, principal is rupees amount minus SI is rupees 75.50. Here you have to subtract both the decimal number. So we write 450.00 and subtract 75.50. After subtracting you get 10 में से 5 गया 5, 9 में से 5 गया 4 and 44 में से 7 गया तो क्या मिला? After subtracting you get rupees 374.50. This is the principal and this is the answer. Now in question number C. In question number C, here given that principal is equal to rupees 25,000. Here principal is rupees 25,000. SI is not given and amount is rupees 31,000. You have to find simple interest, and you know that SI is equal to amount minus principal. Here amount is rupees 31,000, principal is rupees 25,000. After subtracting you get rupees 6,000. This is the simple interest and this is the answer. Now in question number D, here principal is not given, SI is equal to rupees 515, amount is equal to rupees 1680. amount क्या है? 1680 है. You have to find principal and you know that principal is equal to amount minus SI. Here amount is rupees 1680 and SI is rupees 515. After subtracting you get, जब subtract करो 1680 में से 515 को subtract करेंगे तो 1600 से 500 गया 1165. So principal is equal to rupees 1165. This is the answer. Now question number 3. In question number 3, here calculate the amount for the following. You have to calculate the amount for the following. तुम्हें amount calculate करना है तो क्या होगा? क्वेश्चन क्या है? calculate the amount for the following. तो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? Here what is given? P is equal to rupees 4,000, R is equal to 9%, T is equal to 3 year. Here you have to find amount, but before finding amount you need simple interest. So first we have to find simple interest, then you can find amount. So first we find simple interest, and we know that the formula for simple interest P into R into T by 100. Here P is rupees 4,000, R is 9%, T is 3 year. Divide by 100. 100 cancel with 4,000 in 40 times, then you get rupees 40 into 9 into 3. After multiplying you get क्या हो जाएगा? 1080. Here amount is equal to P plus SI. Here principal क्या है ₹4000. Simple interest is ₹1080. So after adding you get ₹5080. This is the answer. Now in question number B, here given that principal is equal to ₹750, rate of interest is equal to 3 whole 1/2%. Here rate of interest given in mixed number. So first you have to convert into improper fraction. And what is the improper fraction for this mixed number? That is 7/2%. Time is equal to 2 years. In this question you have to find amount, but before finding amount you need simple interest. So first you have to find simple interest. And what is the simple interest? That is P into R into T by 100. Here principal is ₹750, rate of interest is 7/2%, टाइम इज 2 ईयर. तो 7/2 है तो 2 को डिनोमिनेटर में लिखोगे, ये कैंसिल हो गया. अब 750 को 100 से घटाओ, ये कटेगा 15 टाइम्स में, ये कटेगा 2 टाइम्स में, तो क्या आया 15 इंटू 7/2. सो SI इज इक्वल टू क्या हो गया 105/2. दैट इज 52.5. नाउ अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू P plus SI. Here principal is ₹4000 and SI is ₹52.5. After adding you get ₹4052.5. This is the amount, this is the answer. There is some mistake here. Principal is not 4000, this is principal. Here principal is ₹750 and plus 52.5. After adding you get ₹802.5. This is the answer. Now in question number C, here principal is equal to ₹3200, rate of interest is equal to 7 whole 1/2%. This is in mixed number, so write into improper fraction, that is 15/2%. Time is equal to 3 whole 1/2 year. This is also in mixed number, so write in improper fraction, that is 7/2 year. Here you have to find amount, but to find amount we need simple interest, so we first find simple interest. What is the formula for simple interest? P into R into T by 100. Here P is ₹3200, R is 15/2, T is 7/2. तो 2 नीचे लिखेंगे और ये 100 यहाँ लिखेंगे. तो ये देखो कितने बार में कटा 32 टाइम्स में. अगेन 2 से कैंसिल हुआ 16 टाइम्स में, फिर 2 से कैंसिल हुआ 8 टाइम्स में. SI क्या मिला 8 into 15 into 7. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग यू गेट 840. देखो 15 8 जा 120 इंटू 7 840. नाउ अमाउंट इक्वल टू क्या होता है P plus SI. हेयर प्रिंसिपल इज ₹3200 and SI is ₹840. After adding you get ₹4040. This is the amount equal to ₹4040. This is the answer. Now in question number D. In question number D, here principal is equal to ₹900, R is equal to 5%, T is equal to 5 whole 1/2 year. ठीक है, तो P is equal to ₹900, R is equal to 5%, time is equal to 11/2 year. Here you have to find amount, but before finding amount you need to find simple interest. So first you have to find simple interest, and what is the simple interest? P into R into T by 100. Here principal is ₹900, rate of interest is 5, time is 11/2 into 100. 100 कैंसिल करेंगे कितने टाइम्स में 9 टाइम्स में. देन यू गॉट 9 into 5 into 11/2. सो SI इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा 9 into 5 45 into 11 495/2. वन डिवाइड तो क्या मिलेगा 2 होगा 4 7.5 247.5. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड अमाउंट एंड अमाउंट इज P प्लस SI। अमाउंट क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल प्लस सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। तो प्रिंसिपल यहाँ क्या है? ₹900 एंड SI इज ₹247.5। आफ्टर एडिंग यू गेट ₹1147.5। दिस इज द आंसर। सो अमाउंट इज ₹1147.5। थैंक यू।